Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to discuss the topic or the questions which are frequently asked in different competitive exam like ICAR JRF and state PG entrance examination. So we should know the relationship between mean, median and mode, and what is meant by mean, mode and median. So without wasting so much time, let's go ahead. So in ICAR JRF exam 2021 they have asked one question: the mean, median and mode for the data, the observation are given and we have to find mean, median and mode. You just pause video for some time and find out the mean, median, mode. If you are not able to find out, then let's go for the solution. So what is mean by mean? Mean is nothing but average. To find out mean, we have to we have to do summation of all the given observations divided by number of observation. Means if we have observation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then we have to sum. The summation of 1 to 10 is 55 divided by number of observation, which is 10. So we will get mean as 5.5. What is meant by median? Median is middlemost observation. So first, to find out median, you have to find out first you have to arrange the observations in ascending order. After arranging them in ascending order, the middle observation is called as median, but it is uh, right in case when your observations are odd. But what if your observations are even? Then you have to arrange same way in ascending order. Then you have to, means if you have number of observation 10, then the average of 10 by 2 means fifth term and sixth term, you have to find average of fifth and sixth terms. You have to find the average of that, means sixth term plus fifth term divided by 2, you will get median. What is mode? Mode is most repeating observation or frequently repeated observation. So where we have started this question, let's go for its solution. So the summation of all these given observation is 50. Total number of observation is 10. Then mean is equal to 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. If we are arranging these observations in ascending order, then we will get two terms, which is fifth term and sixth term. Fifth term is 5 and sixth term is 5. So the average of both terms is 5. So we will get median as 5 and the most repeated observation is 5. So we will get mode 5. So the correct answer is 5 mode, 5 median and mean is equal to 5. But there is relationship between mode, median and mean. So the formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. But purposefully I have written 1 mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So first write down mean, median, mode. Then you have to follow the reverse order. So first you write mode, then median, then mean. So 1 mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So 1 is equal to 3 minus 2. So it will be easier for you to remember this relationship. In MCAR PGCET, they have asked one question: if the mode of data is 10 and the mean is 15, then the median is. Here in this case we have to utilize this relationship between mean, median and mode. So mode is equal to 1 mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 10 is equal to 3 into median minus 30. So we will get 40 is equal to 3 into median. Median is equal to 40 divided by 3, which is nothing but 13.3. So our answer is 13.3 is the median if mode is 10 and mean is 15. So thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.